Hello, today we will guide you through how to link Mailchimp with Manychat. To get started, open Manychat and make sure you are on the Home tab. This is a good starting point because it gives you access to the main navigation and helps you confirm that you're in the correct workspace before making any changes. Once you're on the home screen, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Settings. This is where Manychat keeps account-level options and connection tools, including the area where you can manage integrations with other platforms. After the settings page opens, scroll down until you find the integration section. Depending on your screen size or account layout, you may need to scroll a bit further to see it clearly, so take your time here. You're looking for the area specifically related to connecting external tools and services. When you see it, click on Integrations. This will open the list of apps and services that Manychat can connect with. If you use several tools for marketing or automation, this section is where those connections are typically managed. Next, scroll down through the available integrations until you find Mailchimp. Since there may be multiple options listed, it helps to move slowly and look carefully so you don't miss it. The goal here is simply to locate the Mailchimp integration card or option inside the integrations list. Once you've found it, click on Connect Mailchimp. This begins the linking process between your Manychat account and Mailchimp. At this stage, Manychat is preparing to hand you over to the connection setup so the two platforms can communicate properly. After that, click on Connect and follow the on-screen procedure. The exact prompts may vary slightly depending on your account status or whether you're already signed into Mailchimp, but the process will guide you through the required authorization steps. Just read each screen carefully and approve the connection where needed. As a general tip, make sure you complete the prompts all the way through so the integration is saved successfully. If a new window opens during the process, keep it open until the connection is confirmed. Once finished, Manychat and Mailchimp should be linked and ready for use. And that's it. You have now gone through the process of linking Mailchimp with Manychat.